Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back for another pressure washer or Gerni related video. This attaches to your Gerni pressure cleaner. It's a 15-metre hose that you feed down the drain to clean out and flush out drain pipes. Now it's got this special end here that you feed down your drain or your drain pipe or your down pipe or whatever you want to clear that is blocked. It seems very flexible but stiff enough at the same time so that you can still push it down the drain pipe, and it looks like it would easily go around S-bends in your drain pipe and all that sort of stuff. And the other end just connects to your Gerni pressure washer handle that came with your Gerni when you first bought it. You've got some illustrations on the back of the packaging here that demonstrate some intended uses of this item. Now that I've taken the packaging off the tube, this is what I ended up with. And there's also some basic instructions that came with the drain pipe cleaner. Let's see if I can find the blocked drain that needs cleaning out so we can test this thing out. We're back at home now. Here's the drain flush hose after we've used it. It still looks great. And as you just saw in the video, it works well. Now, it's a bit hard to see in the video, but that drain was feeding down from the guttering and it was going underground to that water tank that you could see. Prior to me using the drain cleaner hose, there was absolutely not a single drop of water going through that pipe. So what I did, I disconnected the pipe down the bottom and I used this here along with my Gerni 5000 to flush out that pipe. And obviously we can't see what's happening inside the pipe, but if you watch the video back, at first there's clear water coming out of the pipe and then the water turns pretty dirty, and obviously whatever was in there was getting flushed out. And then right at the end of the video you can just see it's putting the hose back into the top gutter after connecting everything back up, and clean water was coming out of the overflow that goes into the water tank. Obviously if the guttering fills up with dirt again, well, the problem might return, but for now it's all clear and working perfectly. So would I recommend this? Yes, 100% I would recommend this, even for the homeowner. If you've already got a Gerni and it turns out that you've got a blocked pipe somewhere, spend whatever this is, $40, $50. It's under $50 anyway. I don't have the exact price in my head at the moment. I'll put it up on the screen here for you. For whatever this costs, you'd be saving yourself a lot of money for a DIY type person to clean out your own pipe. The plumber will charge you Look, there's probably $250, $300 call out fee before he does anything. So this is definitely worthwhile a try. And well, now I've got this, I'll be using it when I need to. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in this video today, leave your question down below in the comment section. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.